Derek's gonna do a burnout like a boss. No. You gotta, stand up and start turning and doing donuts. Let's do a burnout like a boss. Shit. Go. Let's do it over there. Okay, go. One wheel. Okay, ready? Light them up. Go. In Austin. Oh my God. Now turn out of it and do a donut. Start doing donuts, man. Come on, keep doing it. Do it. I'm gonna stand on the front, Derek. Now you videotape it when I stand on the front.
No, I'm not.
Okay, watch this back tire. Everybody go. Go. Stand on the front. Oh, he's pulling the wheel, too. I'm going to get backed up and do a burnout. There we go. That was it. Here was a good one. You kind of, I don't know what it is. He's just sitting down.
What?
He's just sitting down. Light him up, sitting down. He's sitting down. He's just lighting him up. And then we'll do a wheelie. And we're out of battery. Until tomorrow.